Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice square root algebra problem. Square root of 60 cubed plus 80 cubed plus 100 cubed. We will solve it by two methods, so let's start with method 1. In this method, this expression is equal to square root of this 60 can be factorized as 6 times 10 whole cubed, plus this 80 can be factorized as 8 times 10 whole cubed, plus this 100 can be factorized as 10 times 10 whole cubed. Next, square root of. Now by using this power rule, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. This 6 times 10 whole cubed can be written as 6 cubed times 10 cubed, plus this 8 times 10 cubed can be written as 8 cubed times 10 cubed, plus this 10 times 10 cubed can be written as 10 cubed times 10 cubed. Next, square root of. Now as you can see, this 10 cubed is a common factor, so we factor out this 10 cubed. 10 cubed as a common factor, and in bracket left 6 cubed plus 8 cubed plus 10 cubed. Next, square root of this 10 cubed times this 6 cubed is equal to 216, plus this 8 cubed is equal to 512, plus this 10 cubed is equal to 1000. Next, square root of 10 cubed times. Now we add these three numbers, 1000 plus 512 plus 216. This is 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 2 7, and this one comes here. So sum of these three numbers is 1728. Next, square root of. Now we factorize this 1728. 1728. We factorize it. This 1728 is divisible by 2. 2 8 times 16, 2 6 times 12, and 2 4 times 8. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 4 times, 2 3 times, 2 2 times. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 2 times 4, 2 1 time, and 2 6 times 12. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 10 times 20, and 2 8 times 16. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 5 times 10, 2 4 times 8. Again this is divisible by 2. 2 2 times, 2 7 times. Now this 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9 times. Again 3 3 times, and 3 1 time. So we have 3 times 2 here, 3 times 2 here, and 3 times 3 here. So 10 cubed times this 1728 is equal to 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 3 cubed. Next, square root of 10 cubed times this 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 3 cubed can be written as 2 times 2 times 3 whole cubed. Next, square root of 10 cubed times this 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 12 cubed. Next, square root of, now this 10 cubed times 12 cubed can be written as 10 times 12 whole cubed. Next, square root of, now this 10 times 12 120 cubed, and this is equal to square root of, this 120 cubed can be written as 120 times 120 times 120, and this is equal to square root of, this 120 times 120 is equal to 120 squared times this 120. Now this is equal to square root of 120 squared times square root of 120, and this is equal to, this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and here we are left with 120 times square root of, this 120 can be written as 4 times 30. Next, 120 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 30, and this is equal to 120 times 2, 240 times square root of 30. This is the simplest form. This is the final answer of this problem. Now let's solve this problem by method 2. In this method, this 60 cubed is equal to 60 cubed is equal to 60 times 60 times 60, and this 6 times 6 36, 36 times 6 216, and these 3 zeros will come here, 1 2 and 3 zeros, and this 80 cubed, this 80 cubed is equal to 80 times 80 times 80, and this is equal to 8 times 8 is 64, and 64 times 8 512, and these 3 zeros will come here, 1 2 and 3, and this 100 cubed is equal to 100 cubed is equal to 100 times 100 times 100, and this is equal to 1 time this one 1 and this one 1, and these 6 zeros will come here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this expression is equal to square root of 60 cubed is equal to 216,000 plus this 80 cubed is equal to 512,000 plus this 100 cubed is equal to 1 million. Next, square root of, now add these three numbers, 1 million plus 512,000 plus 216,000, and we add these three numbers, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, and 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 2 7, and this one will come here. So sum of these three numbers is equal to 1,728,000. Next, square root of, now this number can be written as 1728 times 1000. Next, square root of, now this 1728 is equal to 12 cubed times this 1000 is equal to 10 cubed. Next, square root of, This 12 cubed times 10 cubed can be written as 12 times 10 whole cubed, and this is equal to square root of 12 times 10, 120 cubed, and this can be written as square root of 120 times 120 times 120. Next, square root of this 120 times 120 will become 120 squared times 120. Next, this can be written as square root of 120 squared times square root of 120. Next, this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and here we are left with 120 times square root of this 120 is equal to 4 times 30. Next, 120 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 30, and this is equal to 120 times 2, 240 times square root of 30. This is the simplest form. This is the final answer.